Hello parents! Are you receiving communication from Focus? You may be missing important calls or messages if not. One way to fix this issue is to check the phone numbers associated with your account as a parent in Focus. Here's how. Log in to the Focus Parent Portal. Over on the left, you will see your student's information. Select Child Info. Within the student's information, choose Addresses and Contacts. You will see a list of associated addresses and contacts. Hover your mouse over the relevant contact's name to view the contact information details, including phone numbers. You'll need to make sure that your contact information is accurate. This includes your phone number, address, and email. If you need to make changes to your contact information, make sure you update any information on the verification form you received this year. You can also contact your student's school directly for help with Focus Parent Portal access or account-related issues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.